Hello everyone, welcome you all to the RJ Education. Now today we are going to learn the subtraction. Okay, in this video we will cover subtraction chapter from starting to the end. So without wasting time, let's get started. Before that, I want to tell you one thing, that don't skip the video, because if we are not knowing the subtraction, then also after watching this video you are able to solve. Now observe these examples very carefully, because today onwards you need to maintain one maths notebook. See this example, you should pause the video and write down this example in your rough notebook. Okay, now let's see the examples. Now 35 minus what equal to 15. Now हमें इस 35 से कौन सी वैल्यू, कौन सा नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करना चाहिए कि हमें 15 मिलेगा. ओके, सो व्हाट शुड बी सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम 35, देन वी विल गेट द 15. Sum will be the 15. Now this example is very much simple. If we are subtracting 15 from the 35, then answer will come. Okay, as your mother is giving you 10 rupees and you are returning her 7 rupees. How much rupees you have spent in shop? आपने कितने रुपये खर्च करे हैं, अभी आपको फाइंड करना है. आपने 7 रुपीज आपके मम्मी को दिए. सो हाउ मच यू हैव स्पेंट, that you will simply tell me the 3 rupees. What you had done, you had simply subtract this 7 from this 10. Same technique we are applying here. Like that only we are solving this problem. Now see, 35 minus what equal to 15. That means 35 minus 15. Now 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. I am directly writing the answer here. Okay, I will not write here. Now 5 minus 5 is equal to 0 and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So 20 is our answer. 35 minus 20 is equal to 15. Just let's do it. Is it correct or not? See here. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5 and 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. That means our answer is correct. Now see this next one. 81 minus what? Equal to 43. Now see here. 43 we will subtract from 81. 43 minus. Now 3 minus 1 minus 3, is it possible? No. So this 1 will ask for the borrow to this 8. This 8 will become 7 and this 1 will become 11. Now 11 minus 3 equal to, 11 minus 3 equal to what? 11 minus 3 is equal to 8 and 7 minus 4 is equal to 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Okay, so 38 will be the answer of it. You should erase this. Okay, you should erase this, otherwise solve in rough notebook. Otherwise you just like that only you should solve, because whenever you are revising, okay, whenever you are revising, that time you should know how you are doing this. आपने कैसे करा, then you will get the proper idea of it. Now see the next one. 139 minus what? Now we should subtract this from here. Okay, now see, minus 37. Now 9 minus 7 equal to what? 9 minus 7 equal to 7, 8, 9, 2. Okay, now 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 and 1 as it is we are writing. So 102. 102 will be the answer. Now see the next one. 462. 462 minus what equal to 128. Now let's subtract this from here. Okay, 128. Now 8 2 ones minus 8 ones, is it possible? No. So this 2 will ask for the borrow to this 6. This 6 will become 5 and this 2 will become 12. Okay, now 12 minus 8 is equal to what? 12 minus 8 is equal to 4 and this 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 and 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So our answer will be the 334. We will write here 334. Like this only we can solve such a type of problem. I had solved the 4 problems. Of the problems we will going to solve. Now let's see the second question. 35 plus what equal to 83. What should we add to the 35? Then we are getting 83. Okay, question will ask in word also. Okay, what should we add in 35 So sum will be the 83. Like this problem also will come. So now see here, 35 plus what equal to 83. We should subtract this 35 from this 83. Now minus 35. What will be the answer? Now 3 minus 5, is it possible? No. So 3 will take borrow from this 8. 8 will become 7 and 3 will become 13. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8 and 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Okay. So 48 will be the answer. Now see, it's very much easy for me because I am practicing every day. If you are also practicing every day, then it's easy for you. Okay. Now see this one. 46 plus what equal to 92. We should subtract this 46 from this 92. Now 46 we are subtracting from this 92. Now 2 minus 6, is it possible? No. So this 2 will ask for the borrow to this 9. 9 will become 8 and this 2 will become 12. Now 12 minus 6 is equal to 6 and 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Okay. So our answer will be 46. Okay. 46 plus 46 equal to 92. Just do this. If we are adding this number, then we should get the 92. Then our answer will be, then our answer is correct. Now see, 6 plus is equal to 2 and 4 plus and 1 is coming as a carry. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So our answer is correct. Okay. Like this only we are going to solve the problems, and using this cross checking you can find that your answer is correct or not. Okay. Now see here this problem. Okay. I am skipping some problem because I want that you should solve that problem. Okay. Just make one copy and write that solution, write their problems and their solution in your book. And after I had solved this, okay, I am solving this all the problem. You just pause the video, and as I am solving this problem, you should write in your notebook that is 123. 123 plus what equal to, what should we add here? Okay. Now we will subtract this from here. Now see, 284 minus 123. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So our answer will be 161. Let's cross check it. Is it correct or not? Okay. Now 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. And 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So our answer is exactly correct. Okay. Now see this one. 373. We should subtract from 504. Now see, 373. 4 minus 3 is equal to, it's possible, but see further. 0 minus 7 is not possible. So we are doing the regrouping. The 0 will ask for the 5 for borrow. This 5 will become 4 and this 0 will become 10. Now we will do the subtraction. Now 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. That means our answer will be the 131. Cross check it. Is it correct or not? You will cross check it and you will tell me. Okay. Now I am not going to cross check it because it is taking time. Now see this one. Problem number H. Now what should we add in 109? So we are getting the sum 156. See here, this problem seems different, but it's nothing but just like this only. This places are changed, and we are knowing that we can change the place of addendums. There is no difference is there, that if this digit is present here or here, that same technique we are using here. No. Now see this 109. Okay. Minus. So 6 minus 9 is not possible. This 6 will ask for the borrow to this 5. Okay. तो ये 5 से 1 उधार ले लेगा ये 6. तो 6 will become 16. 5 will become 4. And this 1 minus 1 is so possible. Now do the subtraction. 16 minus 9 is equal to what? 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. Okay. 4 minus 0, 4. And 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So our answer is 47. Now I hope it's clear to you. Now let's see the next question. Pause the video and write in your notebook, because whenever you will revise it, it will help you a lot. And solve rest of the problem just like this only, okay? Now see this problem, application of subtraction in real life, okay? See the first one. The teacher had 37 notebooks to correct. This problem is just like she that. She corrected some notebooks. Before we solve that there problem, was like that 12 notebooks left okay? To corrected. Total. How many total notebooks has she corrected? Total teacher के पास total कितने notebook है? Plus left. Okay. टीचर के पास टोटल कितने बुक्स होंगे जो करेक्टेड प्लस लेफ्ट. अगर ये करेक्टेड बुक्स को और लेफ्ट बुक को हम अगर मिला दे तो टीचर के पास टोटल जितने बुक थे वो हमें मिल जाएंगे. ओके, सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ बुक्स वी आर नोइंग 37. वी आर नोइंग 37 इक्वल टू करेक्टेड वी आर नॉट नोइंग. ओके, लेफ्ट हाउ मच आर लेफ्ट? 12 आर लेफ्ट. That problem you should write in your notebook, otherwise you will not understand it. Okay, now see 37 are total, corrected we are not knowing, and 12 are there that are left. Okay, now see how we are going to find it. I had already teach you, if we need to find this value, then we should subtract this value from the greater value. Okay, now 37 minus 12 equal to what? 7 minus 2 is equal to 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So 25 will be the answer. Now statement, what statement will come? Read the last line carefully. What is that? I am erasing this. Okay, so in last line what is there? Last line is said that how many notebooks has she corrected so far. So instead of that how many, okay, instead of that how many, we will put this value. 25 notebooks she has corrected so far. Okay, this is our answer. Like this only you should find the answer and you should write the solution of such a word problems. Okay, now I hope you have understand this, how I am solving this, and it's helpful to you.